Today po, National Heroes Day. Alam namin, nagre-relax kayo dyan. Pero may good news kami para sa inyo na paano kayo makakatipid, lalong-lalo na sa mga nagmo-motorsiklo. Alam natin na gano'n, nag-rollback na ang gas, ang diesel, pero konti lang yung rollback, piso lang yata, 2 piso. 50 pesos pa rin, dati 38, di ba? Mas mura pa. Okay, ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag na electronic bikes. Hatid ng e-motion, itong e-motorcycles, and we are with Bill and Vin. Si Bill po ang may-ari at si Vin sa kanyang technician. So Bill, right now, I have, we have 2 here of your models, and it's already up and running. And for those out there, they want to know how much they can save. You know, nowadays, they want to save money. And as far as those using motorcycles, talk about the battery life and how much it costs to charge as compared to normal motorcycles that use gas or diesel. Okay.
The batteries in these bikes take 1.4 kilowatts to recharge from empty, which is roughly about 10 to 12 pesos.
So for this to fully charge, it will cost
10 to 12 pesos.
10 to 12 pesos. And that will run how many kilometers?
Depending on the weight of the rider or the terrain you're on, it's 60 to 80 kilometers.
60 or 80 kilometers?
60 to 80, yes.
Okay, but if you use gas or diesel to make 60 or 80 kilometers, how much will you spend?
You're looking at about 1.5 liters, so 75 pesos.
So 75 pesos, usually mga kababayan, ang isa-spend nyo o gagastusin nyo para maka 60 to 80. Pero gamit nyo siyempre electronic bike, 10 to 12 pesos. So ang laki ng titipid po mga kaibigan. So we have 2 models. Vince, pag-usapan natin itong isang model. Anong pinagkaiba ng dalawa?
Yeah, good morning. Ito po yung model ng Nighthawk and ito po yung isang Eagle. So yung difference po nila it's the wattage kasi po hindi po siya CC and the motor po kasi ito po is 1,200 watts.
So ano mas malakas dito sa dalawa?
Mas malakas po ito.
Mas malakas yung makina nito?
Yes.
Okay. So mas matagal i-charge ng konti?
Hindi, pare-pareho.
Pareho lang?
Yes,
okay. So yung full charge ito, ilan hours bago mag-full charge ang baterya nito?
Yung from drain po yung battery to full charge, it takes about 3 to 5 hours po yung pag-charge niya.
3 to 5 hours. And Bill, how long would that 3 to 5 hours full charge get me? How far? Like you said, 60 to 80, right? Okay, what else? Yung, saan ba available tong ating
yes,
mga...
yung mga spare parts po na isang mga accessories po is available po siya. And then, hindi na po na kailangan natin i-drain pa yung battery kasi po wala po siyang memory. So, every time na nag-stop by po yung owner, pwede po silang mag-charge agad.
Pwede i-charge agad?
Yes po, hindi na po na kailangan na i-drain pa yung battery.
No, yeah. Yes, Bill, you want to add?
Yeah. If you recharge... Don't go off the end of the stage. If you recharge the batteries every time you use the bike rather than waiting for it to drain, it actually extends the life of the battery. As an example, if you're short charging all the time, the batteries will last up to 3 years. If you wait till it drains and then recharge, it may last only 12 months.
Oh, so it's better that you keep on charging it.
Level, yes.
And of course, using electronic bikes, it's good for the environment, right?
Very good for the environment. You have no pollution, no gas pollution, no sound pollution. So very healthy. You know, last year there was 2.7 million new motorbikes registered in the Philippines. Imagine if they were all electric and no pollution going out of those cowpots. You might actually see the sky as blue instead of grey.
That's why, because of this. Okay, the comparison between a electronic bike and a regular bike as far as durability.
Durability, we believe we've made a product that's as durable as the gasoline bike, and we're constantly doing research and development through our affiliates in Australia in the Commonwealth Scientific Research Laboratory. So we're improving and maintaining everything over, a period of time. So we believe the durability is there.
And speaking about research and development, next year or in the months to come, you're going to have a battery that will charge in
The scientists have actually developed
right?
a new battery which is going into full production early next year. And that battery actually recharges in 15 minutes.
Okay mga kaibigan, hindi na kayo mag-charge ng 3 oras para mag-full charge. 15 minutes na po. So, coming soon na yun.
And
so
also,
now showing pa lang itong mga bike na to. Okay. So, you have the website and the numbers to call. Bill, you were going to say?
Okay, I was going to say it also adds 4 times the life to the battery as well.
Which one?
The new battery.
The new battery.
So instead of lasting 3 years, it will last 12 years.
Okay, fine. So, I buy myself one of these. Bibili po ako. What's the warranty?
12-month warranty on working parts.
Okay.
So electronic controller, motor, batteries.
So invite everybody, tell them the branches where they can get. I know you have in Bohol and Cebu and different
Do you have the
places.
addresses? I've got them written down.
May alam ka ba yung mga branches nyo? Alam ko sa Bohol meron, sa Cebu. No?
Meron po kaming branch sa Bohol, is sa Santa Clara Street, Tagbilaran, Bohol. And then meron po sa Lucena, sa B. Kerubin Bicycle. Contact person po is Jason Sia. And then sa Pasig Warehouse and main office po namin is sa Makati, sa Pasay Citibank Center.
Alright, so thank you Vin, thank you Bill.
Thank
This
you.
is E-Motorcycles brought to you by eMotion, correct? Thank you very much for guesting and helping us save the environment and of course for our kababayan to save money. So makakatipid po kayo sa electronic bikes. Okay mga kaibigan, ito naman para naman kayo kumita, para gumawa ng taho sa ating taas no Pilipino. Ito, negosyo naman. Woohoo! Aljo!
Thank you, Aljo and Jasmine. At maraming salamat sa aming sponsors, Luca, Tantis, Flirty Style, Doc M.J. Valdecain from the Zen Institute, Advantage and Laser Center, Body Shop, thank you to Orange Mango by Abby Lopez.
Pepper Cherry, located
thank
Surrender,
you.
Tantis at Rockwell, Cathy Valencia Skin and Body Center, thank you so much. Juron Travel, thank you so much. And there.
Happy National Heroes Day sa ating lahat. Oy, nga pala, SM Department Store, thank you. Attitudes Onesimos, thank you very much for my outfit today, No Fear and Meryl. Salon de Manila also, good morning.
Abro.
Hello, thank you kay Dr. Od Camacho ng CNG Skincare Solutions ng SM Suka. Thank you so much.
Boy Pardo, thank you. At saka kay Dr. Ferrari, salamat. Kay Sally, salamat.
Alright.
Shop, thank you.
Body Shop, uy, Body Shop, thank you ha. Pepper Cherry again. Sino pa? Wala na? Gold Strip, thank you very much. Okay, kita tayo bukas. Tuesday mga kabayan. Dito lang sa
One Morning!